Alright, this is 4610 Bayshore Boulevard Northeast, and this is the big monster pile of cast iron scale that we pulled out of the pipe. Kind of hard to see how big it is on the camera. We want to take a look at the pipes and see how they look after the jet cleaning. There was quite a bit of debris in the lines. That steps from 4 to 3. It's normal. What we're looking for is a nice roundness in the cast iron pipe. These came out really good. Looks awesome. Tiny little crack right there, but nothing to be concerned about. We don't see any dirt. Alright, this fitting, so this combo right here on our left, that goes to the 2 bathrooms. If you're standing in front of the house, they would be on the right side. This fitting here, cast iron 90 it looks like, this runs up to the master bathroom, and I believe it also picks up the kitchen sink and the laundry. So somebody's done some remodeling because we have a new pipe here under the floor. It's going to probably be our 2-inch. That looks like it goes to a sink. And this is going to be probably a toilet on the right. My guess is this may run to the laundry or to the vent. What I want to do is run some water through here and get that little bit of debris that's way up in there out of there.
It's okay. Man, yeah, it's up there.
Alright, so that's going to run to the kitchen sink and to the laundry. So what I'm going to do is go in and run the laundry. Kitchen sink flow looks really good. I'll go ahead and shut that down, and then I will video all the way out, and then we'll run the laundry to get those last little flakes out of there.
like a couple years. I got it because the first one I got, it was on like a Black Friday thing at Home Depot, and it was like $39 or something. And I was like, oh, I'll try it.
So,
and I love it. It's so freeing.
This is recording now, so this is coming from your master bath, dude. Look at it. It's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Nice and round. There's a couple teeny itty little bitty cracks, but it's nothing to worry about if there's not dirt and stuff pulling up through them. So this is past that 90, all the way over here.
Oh, wow.
And I'm recording this for you, so I'll email this to you later so you have it. It's time and date stamped. This is that 90 we went through before. We saw all that.
Yeah.
This goes to the other side of the house where we got water everywhere.
So that's why that bathroom there, like during this whole, since Kirk got the stuff out of line, and then that bathroom was like fine.
Yeah, because your stuff was probably through this 90 to the right, but I cleaned everything. I cleaned all your lines.
Anyways?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what you're paying me for.
You could go all the way to past the kitchen, or no?
Yeah, they put all the kitchen lines are new. It's all new 2-inch PVC. And what it is a couple of little flakes went up that line. That's why I want to run the laundry, because it'll just push them right out. But yeah, I went all the way past the bathroom up through the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. All that's new pipe.
Oh, that's new. Okay.
Up there under the kitchen. Somebody's remodeled this place before.
Yeah, yeah. That's what this is, like a brand new remodel or just
yeah. Somebody's and even your master bathroom toilet, that's been relocated because all that's PVC under the floor. So somebody spent some bucks here, man.
Yeah, they did.
They did it right. It looks great. They did a good job.
Good. That's good to hear.
So let me conclude the video, and then I'll show you. So this steps from 3 to 4. It's normal. That's fine. That's just up under here somewhere, which makes me think that might have been an addition at some point.
Yeah, the back, like
the back bump out
lot, like 20 feet or so.
All right, so I'm back out. I'm going to conclude this video.